Same model, same question, asked twice. Here are the two answers. They are not the same. That should be impossible, because underneath, this thing is a calculator. Same input, same math, same output, every single time. So where is the second answer coming from? It comes from the very last step. The model does its math, gets an answer, and then we hand that answer to a dice roll on purpose. The dial that controls those dice is the most misunderstood setting in AI. By the end of this video, you will set it correctly, forever. Let me prove the calculator part. 9.7 billion parameters running on this laptop. Temperature set to 0, which means always take the most likely word, no randomness. Same question, 20 times. 20 runs, 20 identical answers, character for character. Then I fired 8 requests at it at the same moment, still identical. So the machine is not random. Nothing in here rolls dice by accident, which leaves one question, and it is the whole video. If the math is deterministic, where does the randomness come from? To answer that, look at what the model actually produces. Because it is not a word. Every time this model takes a step, it runs one forward pass. What comes out the other end is not a word, it is a score. For every word it knows, all of them, at once. This model's vocabulary is 248,320 pieces. So every step produces 250,000 scores, squashed into probabilities that add up to 1. That is the real output, not a word, a landscape. Here is a real one. The capital of France is. These are the top 20 candidates, measured off the model, not drawn from memory. Paris, 65%, then a long, low tail of everything else. Now change the question. She opened the door and saw the tallest bar is man, at 16%. 16. The other 84 is spread across 250,000 words, and the model is not confused here. It is right. There genuinely are hundreds of good answers. So the same model, one step apart, can be almost certain or almost undecided. That difference is the whole reason the next setting exists. The obvious thing to do with this landscape is to take the tallest bar. Always. Highest probability wins. That is called greedy decoding. And it is exactly what temperature 0 does. It sounds correct. It is also how you get this. Real output from this laptop 10 minutes ago. I gave it a support log with 2 identical lines and let it pick the most likely word every time. Reset the router 32 times in 200 tokens. It would still be going. The only reason you rarely see this is that your runtime is quietly patching it. Ollama ships a repetition penalty of 1.1 by default. Turn it off and the loop comes straight back. Same model, same prompt, same temperature. 32 repeats with it off, 2 with it on. So always picking the best word is a trap. The best word over and over is a rut. We need a way to sometimes not pick it. That is temperature. And it does something much simpler than people think. It does not make the model more creative. It does not add anything. It changes the shape of that landscape before we sample from it. Low temperature sharpens it. Tall bars get taller. Small ones collapse towards 0. At 0, the landscape is one spike and everything else is flat. High temperature flattens it. The gap between first place and 40th shrinks, and long shots start winning. Here it is, measured. Same prompt. Sample just the next word, 30 times. At temperature 0, one unique word, 30 times out of 30. At 0.7, 11 different words. At 1.5, 14 different words, and the favorite only won 4 times. Same model, same prompt, same math. The only thing that moved was how hard we shook the cup. Flattening has an obvious problem. Flatten far enough, and garbage starts winning. So before we sample, we cut the tail off. 2 ways to do that, and engineers mix them up constantly. Top K is the blunt one. Keep the best keywords, throw away the rest. A fixed number every step. Top P is the adaptive one. Sort the words by probability, add them up, and stop as soon as you have covered P of the total. Why that matters, measured here. Roses are red, violets are. Top P of 0.9 keeps 2 words, blue and green. That is all. Now the open one. She opened the door and saw A. Same setting, same model, and top P keeps more than 20. Top K of 20 keeps exactly 20 in both, which, on the rhyme, means 18 words nobody wanted. That is the whole rule. Top P adapts to how sure the model is. Top K does not. Which brings us to the thing that will actually cost you a day. At the start, temperature 0 on this laptop was perfectly repeatable. 20 runs, 1 answer. But ask anyone who has shipped against a hosted model, and they will tell you temperature 0 is not reproducible in production. And they are right. The usual explanation is GPUs are parallel, floating point is fuzzy, so the numbers wobble. That explanation is wrong. Run the same matrix multiply on the same GPU 1,000 times, and you get bitwise identical answers every time. The real reason is stranger. The kernels doing the math change how they split the work, depending on how big the batch is, and your batch size depends on how many other people hit that server in the same millisecond. So your answer depends on strangers, and it only takes 1 step. I scanned 1,100 real decoding steps on this machine. 25 came down to a near coin flip between the top 2 words. I took the closest, a gap of 5 thousandths, forced the runner up, and let it keep writing. The 2 versions share exactly 1 character. After that, completely different paragraphs. Thinking machines ran this at full scale. 1,000 completions, temperature 0, same prompt, 80 different answers. Every one of them identical for the first 102 tokens. And then 992 said Queens, New York, and 8 said New York City. Everything after that point is a different text. So, the settings by task. Code, extraction, classification. Anything with 1 right answer, temperature 0. Chat and normal writing, 0.7. Brainstorming, naming, first drafts, 1.0 to 1.3. And set top P to 0.9 so the tail stays cut. And if a test fails intermittently against a hosted model at temperature 0, it is not your test. It is the batch. One last thing. Every one of those dice rolls happens over a landscape with 250,000 entries. And that landscape, the weights, and everything the model has already read all have to sit in memory at once. Memory, not speed, is the real wall. Tomorrow, why a 14 GB model refuses to run on a 16 GB card. The full bill.